In fact, the expected rate of growth of real income in the current year is likely to be around 9%, which is much higher than what we have seen in the recent years stock. If you look at the sectorial composition of performance, then the food production, thanks to the bountiful monsoon and a more imaginative agricultural strategy, particularly the food production strategy, we are finding a better performance stock. Of course, we depleted our buffer stock, but as a result of the better crops and with some imports, we are trying to replenish our buffer stocks. Stock industrial growth has been very encouraging, although in the last few months there has been a tendency at deceleration, and we hope by the year end the things will level up and our performance in the industrial sector will be well above the recent performance stock. It should be crossing 10 to 11% mark altogether. Stock para, I heard my friend talking about the consumers price index stock. There is no doubt that it is in the rise in the consumers price index that the consumer faces the real punch, but the increase has not been as alarming as we think, particularly if we look at the recent drought and the risks of likely increase in price which did not take place. Stop now. So far as the consumers price index is concerned, it is closely related to the liquidity in the economy. Stop. It is true that the liquidity is growing because disposal income has been growing because of different kinds of payments that we have committed, whether it is the sixth pay commission and the cascading effect of that in the rest of the economy, or the other salary settlements, dearness allowances, and all that stock. This leads to demand inflation stock, but on supply side, if one buffer stock position is right and releases are timely and adequate, all the operations both on the supply side and on the demand side of the buffer stock are efficient, then we should have no fears. Stock. It seems to me the very fact that the price index has not been rising at a very rapid pace shows that the supply management, so far as the essential commodities are concerned, has been somewhat efficient, and this has given us a relatively better balance with demand stock pair. Now, so far as the wholesale price index is concerned, it is very encouraging stock. As a matter of fact, there was a slight pressure, but if you take the latest figures, there has been a deceleration there. Stock. What is particularly encouraging is that in the agricultural product group, the rate of increase in the wholesale price index has been much less compared to the non-agricultural commodity group stock. However, the fact remains that the resource position of the governments remains under strain. Stock, when we talk of resource position, we talk of three components. Stock number one. What is the rate of the domestic savings, particularly the net figures, have been under serious stress. Stock, fortunately, the household sector performance has been good, but the performance at the corporate sector level and particularly the saving in the public sector of the corporate particularly has been discouraging, and much more discouraging has been the rate of the saving in the government sector stock. So this is one area where substantial correction is required in order to generate adequate resource for investment. Stock, the second component, is related to revenue. Stock, now if you take the total revenue picture, the direct taxes constitute 14% and indirect taxes constitute 85%, which are increasing every year. Stop.